Hello YouTube friends. Well, I have gone back to Dooney for another little haul, so if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. Okay, so here we have two pretty good sized boxes. So I have a little story to tell before I unwrap these. I opened up the top of the box just to save time. Um, I bought a bag that I guess I have too many bags because I keep thinking that I already bought this bag. I mean, for at least the past year, and I'll wake up thinking, "Oh, I'll take that bag with me today," and I never bought it. I just looked at it so many times, and I couldn't bring myself to buy it because it was just so basic and unlike really anything else in my collection. But it just seemed so useful, and I just kept thinking about it. And it's really funny because it's not like one of those bags that I saw and I was like, ooh, I have to have it. It was just one of those bags that I had seen so often. I don't know why I assumed I had it. So about the fourth or fifth time this happened where I wanted to wear this bag and realized I don't even own it. I just went ahead and bought it. So hopefully I will actually use it as much as my brain wants me to use it. And then I got another accessory here. So let's see what's in this little box. And thank you all for your concern about my burnt hand. If you happen to catch a glimpse of it, don't be horrified. I'm not supposed to put a band-aid on it at this point. So it's healing. It's looking good. And if it does scar, I noticed that the scar is in the shape of a heart, which is really cute. So if a scar's got to be there, it might as well be a pleasant shape, right? So anyhow, I'll try to hide it from you guys. But here it is. Let's see. Okay, so we've got the little packaging thing. Oh, they got it in a box in a box. Look at that. I actually wasn't expecting it to come in a box. I'm so used to Coach sending small leather goods in envelope or something. But Dooney has a box in a box. There you go. I got these from I Love Dooney, by the way. Nice presentation. Ooh. Pretty. Let's see. Oh. Boy, it's even got a little padding in there. How fancy. I'll keep that box. That's a good gift box. All right. So here we go. And I have to thank Rock Review for putting this one on my radar because I don't know, we always like the same bags and stuff, and she got one of these in the pretty like aqua color, and I thought, oh, that sounds cute. So let's see if it says on the tag what this is. Of course not. Of course it doesn't. Let me get the packing slip. Okay, this is the large zip around card case, or no, large zip around credit card case in the color marine, and it's in Saffiano leather, and I paid $45.36 for this, but I think the original price was like $65, something like that. But it looks so useful. I love these smaller wallets because they really do fit in everything. Oh, it's got a nice red interior, got some stuffing in there, so you've got slots over here, a little zippered section in the center, very little. Like I would just put coins in there. You wouldn't fit a card. And then over here we've got our little registration card. Same thing on both sides. So it's kind of like the Coach little tiny zip around card cases. And it doesn't have the original price on here, but there's the code. Cute. I like that. I guess places stop putting the original price on things because, I don't know, the prices change so much. And then they can, I guess that way they can be sneaky and increase the price when they're showing you a comparison like, oh, save 50%, but it never was the original price. But that's good. That's got a nice feel to it. I think this is my first Saffiano piece from Dooney. I usually just get Florentine or Pebbled, and I got Wexford, which I was not crazy about. That's nice. Very sturdy. Okay, so that's the first thing. I like the white stitching. It looks very fresh. It looks very nautical, in my opinion. Okay, so let's get on with this box, which I have also split open just for time. What's this thing? Oh, it must be packing slip. Here we go. Okay, so this is the small Lexington shopper in slate. And this one I paid $111 for, so I got a really good deal. I'm not sure what the original price was anymore because they are sold out. I tried to go back and look, but they do have it on the original Dooney site. Oh, and they gave me a snazzy dust bag. See, this was my favorite, the old school, not the kind of handy wipe feeling blue ones. Oh, a nice dust bag came in there. That's cool. I wonder if sometimes they'll put another one inside the bag. All factory wrapped. I'm sure you guys have seen these bags before. They've been around for, I want to say, like 10 years maybe. They've been around forever. I always see used ones floating around. Oh, that's cute. I really needed a gray bag. That's one of the colors I don't have. So here's the info. Slate Small Lexington. And this is 3 of 25. Huh, interesting. And let's see if it has, that is really nice. Let's see if it has the original price on here. Nope. So they're doing away with that. This is beautiful, really nice. I like it better than I thought I would. But the thing that attracted me about it is the slim size on the sides. And it seems like it'd be very comfortable. I do like a tote, but I don't like a crossbody strap on a tote. I really prefer it to have the longer handle drop so I can just throw it over my shoulder. So let me get the dimensions from the site for you, because I did save those. Let's see. You can hear my cat meowing. Maggie wants to make an appearance. She's still kicking. Okay, so this says rich European pebble green leather, zipper closure. Handle drop length is 11.5, which is awesome. That's like perfect. That's like my Louis Vuitton Batignolles horizontal, and it's just so comfortable to carry for me. I'm getting kind of away from crossbodies. I really prefer shoulder carry, especially a bigger bag. Okay, it's 10.5 high. The width is 3.5, so kind of slim. And then the length is 11.75. So that's really good. I think an 11-inch length for me on the bags is just perfect. Anytime it's just right. It does have feet with the little Sierra leather trim. The leather on this one feels really good. It's like really soft, even though it's kind of a more structured, stiffer bag. The leather is super soft. That's nice, and I like this slate color. It's, you know, usually if I look at gray bags that are from Dooney, it's elephant or something. But this color slate's a really pretty, kind of a neutral bluish gray. Okay, it has a zipper that comes out, which is not my favorite dealio, but it works pretty good. And then that way you can tuck it in if you want to use it more like a tote. And have it stuffed. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I'm proving this to you. It is a bonanza of dust bags. Are they trying to get rid of them? I got 2. This is like Christmas. And 3. I got 3 dust bags with one bag. I don't think this has been opened or anything before. It looks like it was factory wrapped and everything. Although I don't know. The zipper pull didn't have anything on it, so. But those were all 3 dust bags. Take note, Coach. You can send 1, okay? Oh, and I got the nice dust bags too. Boy, that's worth the price of the bag, isn't it? So it's just the typical Dooney setup. You've got the zippered pocket at the back. Here. Nice long zippered pocket. That would fit a lot. Look at that. My whole hand goes in there. It's got the little registration card. Then you've got the long slip pocket under it, which is not my favorite because sometimes they bend over, but that's okay. And then you've got a nice big slip pocket over here and a smaller one over here. And of course you've got the key keeper. But I did see, and see you can tuck in, this is what I liked about this bag, you can tuck in the top zippered part and you don't even know it's there, and you can use it just like a regular tote. So, but some of the ones that they had on I Love Dooney in different colors, oh, and they've got the nice slip pocket at the back for a cell phone and a matching one in front. But some of the ones that I saw in different colors didn't have the brass nameplate. They had, it was printed in white, which was really kind of strange. It just said Dooney and Bourke in white lettering, and people were just going nuts over the change. And the interior on those wasn't red either. It was just beige. So maybe this is their older model and they're trying to make newer ones. I don't know. But I am very happy about this. I think this will be really comfortable. Perfect size. And it's not, you know, going to be big enough for a laptop or anything. But I didn't want it for that. I just want it for like just a little shopper tote to carry around. So there you go. The small Lexington shopper. They have a bigger Lexington as well. Same setup, just a bigger bag. But I like the small one. It's great. Well, I hope you liked this Dooney unboxing, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.